Okay, 41 is equation quadratic from. I define u like x to the second. This is u squared minus 5u plus 4 equal to 0. Now by factoring 4 and 1 minus equal to 0. Therefore u is equal 4 and u is equal 1. Now u was my auxiliary variable. I have to retrieve the original variable. This is x squared equal 4 and x squared equal 1. It's quadratic equation, and the answer is plus or minus 2 here. Again, it's quadratic equation here, and the answer is x plus or minus 1. That's the solution set in 41 equation is 2, negative 2, 1, negative 1. Okay, again, it's quadratic in front equation. Quadratic in front, always we solving using the same idea. Define auxiliary variable u equals x to the second power, que is the smaller exponent. So 3u squared minus 2u minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, in this case I want to solve using quadratic equation. Entonces A es 3, quadratic formula. A is 3, B is negative 2, and C is negative 1. Entonces, el quadratic formula es minus b, que es 2 plus or minus square root negative 2 squared minus 4 multiplication by 3 multiplication by negative 1 divided by 2 times 3, que es 6. Entonces this is 4. This is plus, minus plus. This is 12. And this is 16. And square root 16 is 4. And so far we have 2 plus or minus 4 divided by 6. I separate into pieces. I separate, for example, 2 plus 4 over 6 is 6 over 6, que is 1. And the other is 2 minus 4 over 6 is minus 2 over 6 is negative 1/3. Okay, now I retrieve the original variable. This is u, but it's also x squared. Square root both sides, x is equal plus or minus 1. And square root here, x is equal plus or minus I, because it's imaginary, 1 over radical 3. Que is equivalent plus or minus I radical 3 over 3 when you rationalize. If you don't remember, rationalize is when you have, for example, 1 over radical 3 and you multiply by radical 3 is radical 3 over radical 3 times radical 3 is radical 9, que is 3. And this is the answer. So the solution set is 1, negative 1, I radical 3 over 3, comma, negative I radical 3 over 3 for solution. Okay, 45 is, I copy this. Again, it's quadratic from. How you recognize this quadratic from? When this exponent is two times this exponent is quadratic from. And the solution is using the auxiliary variable u, is equal x to the smallest exponent, que is 3 in this case. Automatically you convert this equation to quadratic, because this is u squared, but this is double, plus 7u minus a equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let me try to do by factoring as possible. The combination is a and 1, and the signs are different. This is plus and this is minus. One solution is negative 8, another solution is positive 1. As always, I retrieve the original variable. This is x to the cubic power equal minus 8, and this is x to the cubic power equal 1. Okay, but we have here 2 cubic. Okay, so now they want real solution only, or they want complex solution? Real solution. So if they want real solution, not necessarily do the factorization of this. As you cubic root both sides, cubic root both sides here. So the answer is x is equal to minus 2. And cubic root both sides here. The answer is what? The solution set then is negative 2 and 1. Perfect. Okay, 47 again is quadratic-form, and the auxiliary variable u is x plus 2. This is u squared plus 7u plus 12 equal to 0. By factoring, the factor is 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is 12, 4 plus and plus both equal to 0. Then the solution is u equal negative 4 and u equal minus 3, and u is x plus 2 equal negative 4. So x is equal minus 4 minus 2 is negative 6, and x plus 2 is equal minus 3. X is equal minus 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Negative 5. So the solution is solution set is negative 6 and negative 5. Okay, again another quadratic-form equation. Define u equal 3x plus 4. This is u squared minus 6u plus 9 equal to 0. It's a perfect square trinomial. We have u is 3 minus minus. The solution is only one solution, is 3. And 3, retrieve the original variable, is 3x plus 4 is equal to 3. 3x is equal 3 minus 4, get negative 1, divided by 3, both sides, x equal negative 1 over 3. And this is the answer. Okay, 51 is the same as equation quadratic-form. So in this case, the auxiliary variable u is equal s plus 1. You have 2u squared minus 5u equal 3. It's quadratic equation. Let me organize in standard form. The standard form is 2u squared minus 5u minus 3 equal to 0. Let me try to apply quadratic formula. 2, negative 5 and negative 3. Entonces 5 plus and minus square root negative 5 squared minus 4 multiplication by a gets 2 multiplication by c gets negative 3 over 2 times 2. This is 25 plus, because minus and minus is plus, and this is 28, 24 is 49, and square root 49 is 7. And so far we have 5 plus and minus 7 divided by 4. I separate into pieces. I separate like a 5 plus 7 over 4. This is 12 over 4 is 3. And 5 minus 7 over 4 is negative 2 over 4 is negative 1/2. Okay, let me retrieve the original variable. The original variable is s plus 1. So it's s plus 1 equal 3. S equal 3 minus 1 gets 2. X equal 2. And here is x plus 1 equal negative 1/2. S is equal negative 1/2 minus 1 is negative 3/2. S is equal negative 3/2. So the solution set, let me copy here, solution set for this equation is 2, negative 3/2. Okay, 53. 53 is like a factorial equation. So it's x is common factor is 1 minus 4 radical x equals 0. So one solution is x equals 0, and another solution is 1 minus 4 radical x equals 0. Entonces you solve for x is minus 4 radical x equal negative 1 divided by negative 4 both sides. Now is radical x is equal 1 over 4 and square, both sides square and square, is x equal 1 over 16. Entonces the solution set is 0 and 1 over 16. Okay, let me check it just in case. 0, check. For x equals 0 is 0 minus 4 times 0 radical 0 is equal to 0. It's obvious que it's true. Now let's see 16, 1 over 16, si it's correct or no. Is check for x equal 1 over 16 is 1 over 16 minus 4 times 1 over 16 square root 1 over 16 should be 0. This is, I don't know, 1 over 16, this is cancelled out. This is minus 1/4, and square root 1 over 16 is 1/4, it's perfect. This 1 over 16 minus 1 over 16 is 0. Correct, true. Both solutions are perfect. This is perfect and this is perfect. Solution set is this.